Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. I'm Reza Mohammad Hassani, the founder of the optimizationcity.com. In this presentation, I'm going to learn how to use the online solver of the all integer programming in the optimizationcity.com. So let's see some introduction. The basic assumption of the many optimization model in the operation research is that the variables are continuous, but in many real-world problems, the decision variables are discrete. These problems are called integer programming model. If all decision variables are integer, the resulting model called integer programming model like this. To solve this problem, there are limited software that need to be installed or know the language programming of this software. In order to make it easy to solve the integer programming model, the Optimization City group has designed and developed an online solver. In the following, we will review how to use this online solver. This is the form from the for using the online solver. You enter the input data, then press the run to run the model. What is the input data? N is the number of decision variable, M is the number of constraint, and DIST or dist matrix is a matrix has M plus N plus 1 row and N plus 2 columns. The coefficient of the objective function in the first row of the DIST matrix and the coefficient of the constraint are enter from second row to end. Also, the right-hand side value enter in the last column. 2 points I should mention. First, the limit should be defined as a less than equal form, and the problem should be defined as a minimization. Let's solve the example to check out how to use the online solver of the optimizationcity.com. We are going to minimize the objective function like this with the constraint, two constraints like this, and we have the three decision variables which are all integer, and you can see that the constraint is the form of the less than equal. The input data is as follow: n is the number of variables is equal to 3, m is the number of constraints equal to 2, and dist is a matrix. The first row of this matrix is the objective function coefficient, and the last column of the dist matrix is the right hand side, and the other is the coefficient of the functional constraint. Okay, let's visit the website here. Okay, go to the website. This is the optimizationcity.com operation research solver, and here all integer programming. Now we can enter the input variable. N is a number of variable is 3, M is 2, and dist I enter, copy and paste, and we just click the run. You can see that the result in the output phrase optimal solution found means the model has a limited optimal solution. In front of the solution phrase, the optimal value of the decision variable reported, which is in this example that x1 is equal to 3, x2 is equal to 0, and x3 is equal to 2. And in the last part of the output, the value of the optimal objective function is reported, which is equal to 17. Thank you so much for watching us. If you have any question, you can send an email by optimizationct@gmail.com, or you can fill out the contact form in the website www.optimizationcity.com. Thank you so much, and goodbye for now.